There's a broken down shack by the railroad track. A little bitty baby sing on back.
Oh look, YouTube, I'm using my English wheel. Yeah, I got a wet thing here. I'm trying to take this grading here. Probably should have plunging here, but it's too late at night. It is flat, but the English wheel, it gets a little curve on it. So I'm gonna go like this. See, it's getting a nice little roundness to it. Changing shape. I gotta somehow, I don't know. I think panel beating might be a little better. A little beater bag. I'm gonna try to beat it into submission. What I need to do is get it to go on here. So I might try to, you know what? I'm not a body person, but I'll figure this out.